Gigs Online, and today I'm going to answer the question, can you see stats for your YouTube community posts? The short answer is yes. It took me a little bit to kind of find this, and I did see some videos online that didn't really explain it clearly, so I'm going to just walk through this process. Hopefully it'll be helpful to you. So if you're on your analytics page, I don't really use community posts that much on this channel, but I'm going to walk through it just so you can see it. But when you're on this content tab, under analytics, there are a couple options. And if you did any community posts, you should see this post option here. So if I click on it, these are my stats. As you can see, I don't do a lot. I only have 8 impressions and 2 likes for the whole year for this particular site. I'm going to use this feature a lot more moving forward. And if you want to look at the details, you can click on see more, and it gives you just some additional insight. And as you can see, I really only did one. I just talked about what side hustles did people want to explore in 2023. So hopefully you found this useful. If you did, click the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about YouTube, analytics, or anything else, drop a question in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye.